In this video, I'll show you how you can change the showcase operator in Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4. All you have to do is open the game, and then from here, from the home page, select multiplayer, and then navigate to this menu at the left side of the screen. So you can use the left analog stick, flip it to the left, and then you should see this menu, and then select your profile at the top left corner. Now within the profile, scroll down to the bottom and select the profile. And then from here, scroll down and choose the operator. So I choose that. And then now you can choose any other operator that you have unlocked to be your showcase operator. Okay, so you can simply press the triangle button on your controller to see the preview of how that particular operator looks like. So once you're satisfied with that, you can simply select them. And then that will be now your new showcase operator. So once you go to your profile, you can now see your new showcase operator. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.